So I've been really getting into Shakespeare lately, and in keeping in line with this channel, which is motivational and inspirational things, great quotes. I want to read you something from King Lear, spoken by Edmond in Act 1, Scene 2. Thou nature art my goddess, to thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom, and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me? For that I am some 12 or 14 moonshines lag of brother? Why, bastard? Wherefore base? When my dimensions are as well compact, my mind as generous, my shape as true, as honest madam's issue, why brand they us with base? With baseness, bastardy base, base. Who in this lusty stealth of nature take more composition and fierce quality than doth within a dull, stale, tired bed go to the creating a whole tribe of fops got tween asleep and wake? Well then, legitimate Edgar, I must have your land. Our father's love is to the bastard Edmond as to the legitimate. Fine word, legitimate. Well, my legitimate, if this letter speed and my invention thrive, Edmund the base shall top the legitimate. I grow, I prosper. Now, gods, stand up for bastards.